In this video, we will talk about how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 10. Method 1. Temporarily disable real-time protection. On the bottom right corner, click on the icon tray. Double-click on Windows Defender Security. Now click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then Manage Settings. Here, you have to turn off real-time protection and other protections showing up in here. All the settings will automatically turn on once you restart your PC. If you see any prompt on the right bottom corner, just ignore it, otherwise it will turn on. Method 2. Permanently disable using group policy. Click in Search, type GPEdit, and select Open. Here, you have to expand Administrative Templates. Then Windows Components. Search for Microsoft Defender Antivirus and click on it. Now, on the right side, double-click on Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus and set to Enabled. Then click Apply and OK. Now click in Search, type GP Update. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes and wait until it shows Successful message. Afterwards, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can disable Windows Defender in Windows 10. See you in the next video.